This Math in Minute video is on 45, 45, 90 special triangle. A special triangle is when you have one side, you can determine the other two sides of the right triangle because there is a ratio between angle to side. So here you can see 45 degrees is going to correspond to the x value. Likewise, the other 45 degree will correspond to the x value, and then your 90 degrees, your hypotenuse, will correspond to x square root 2. So let's take a look at some examples. So here we have 45 degree angle, 45 degree angle, and then the hypotenuse is x square root 2. So of course, if we know one of the 45, let's say this is 14, that corresponds to this 45 degree angle, the same value will be for this side because that is also a 45 degree angle. So to find the hypotenuse, we will set this to 14 square root 2 because all we're doing is substituting our x into the x position of the hypotenuse. So that's the easy one. Let's take a look if we are given the hypotenuse. So let's take a look when we have the value for our hypotenuse. Let's say it's 10. So we're going to set our formula of x square root 2, which is corresponding to our hypotenuse, equal to 10. So now we want to get x by itself. So we're going to square root both sides by square root of 2, square root of 2. This is going to cancel, and we can't have a square root in our denominator. So we multiply square root of 2 over square root of 2. So that's going to give us 10 square root 2 over the square root of 4, which we know is the same thing as 2. So we're going to write down here, we have 10 square root 2 over 2, and we can simplify that. This would be 5 square root 2, and just as a reminder, that is our x value. Now that we have our x, we can fill in our sides. So this will be 5 square root 2, and this will also be 5 square root 2. So that's how you can determine the sides of a right triangle if they have a 45, 45, 90 degree set of angles. Any math topics you would like me to cover, please leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you next time.